Hi, I'm Kevin Saltzman. I am coming to you recorded because I'm recording it live right now, but I'm not going to play it right now, so that's what it means to be recorded. Anyhow, you don't want to miss this one. I'm going to talk about why I moved to Jacksonville, Florida from Las Vegas, and I think a lot of you are wondering, why, Kevin? Why would you move to Jacksonville, Florida? Well, you might not know too much about Jacksonville, and I'm here to fill you in on some of that stuff. So anyhow, let's get started. Couple of reasons is I wanted to go to the beach, and you know what? Jacksonville has a beach. So, but let's not talk about the beach the entire time. We're talking about Florida and Jacksonville. Let's talk about the differences between Las Vegas and Jacksonville because I have been here about a year now, and let's talk about things that I have noticed. I have written down a couple of items, which totally didn't need to tell you that. But I'm going to edit that part out. So anyhow, so there are a couple things that let's get into. I'd like to talk about just to go over the differences between Jacksonville and Las Vegas. And actually Jacksonville and the rest of the country. Jacksonville as far as home prices, that's a good reason to move here if you like being able to afford a home. I know interest rates are high right now. That's another video. We'll get into that soon. I do want to do that shortly, so keep tuned for that type of thing. But house prices are something that we want to keep an eye on. And Las Vegas, the house prices have gotten kind of out of control, and actually the rest of the country they have. Nationwide, I have this written down right here. Nationwide, the average home price is $430,000, while in Jacksonville, Florida, the average home price is $380,000. So we're still lower than the national average, and I think that's pretty good for being that it is a beach city. So this is good news for me and everyone who's thinking about moving to Jacksonville. As far as salaries here, I've talked about that a little bit in one of my last videos. You can check that out. Click on the screen here. Also, I want you to notice here, I've got this plant. Just want to point that out. You can tell that since I have this plant, that means I'm very successful. Moving on. Median household salary nationwide is $67,500, and the median salary in Jacksonville is $66,500. So just $1,000 less than the national average, and the house prices are way lower. Let's talk about football. We have the Jacksonville Jaguars here, and in Las Vegas, you have the Las Vegas Raiders. For me, there's a clear winner with the Jacksonville Jaguars just because I am not a Raiders fan. And whoever your team is, go team. Let's talk about ethnicity because everyone loves talking about that in Jacksonville because I have that right in front of me here on this handy chart. The people are super friendly no matter what. 55% white, 30% black, 7.7% Latino or Hispanic, 4.3% Asian, and 2.2% other. I was talking to a really nice other the other day, and they were just saying that everyone's super friendly to them. So yeah, everyone's just super friendly. It doesn't matter who you are. Everyone gets along in Jacksonville, which I find wonderful. Age breakdown, really no sense talking about that, so I'm going to skip that one completely. But let's talk about water, because that is obviously one of my favorite subjects to talk about. In Las Vegas, you have Lake Mead, which is a wonderful lake. They were having some struggles with it when I left. I think it's getting a little bit better now. I haven't stayed completely up to date on the current news on the Las Vegas lake, but I think the water actually has gone up like 60 feet since I left. It was down 130, so that would get it like halfway back to where it was. So that would be really nice. But Florida has no problem with water. We have 20 miles of beaches. We have 40 miles of intercoastal. 1,000 houses listed on the MLS that are waterfront in Jacksonville for sale at the moment, currently over 1,000. And that's, there's currently just under 600 of them for under $600,000. That does include some condos too. So I think for houses under $600,000, you're looking right around $300 to $350 You're not going to find that in a lot of places. Definitely meant for Jacksonville. Anyhow, hopefully this video has been fairly informative. I like being in Jacksonville. The weather, of course, is great. I don't want to beat that one into the death. I don't want to beat that one into the ground. You can check out my other videos here to see me beat that into the ground. And of course, call me. I'd love the chance to help you out, find a house if you want. We'll find you a waterfront house. We'll find you exactly what you're looking for. Give me a call, like, subscribe, hook me up. I'm going to edit that because that sucked. But don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos. And of course, feel free to contact me. My information's right here in the link. I'm going to put the phone number right down around here somewhere. And hopefully you have a great day. And let me know if you have any questions at all. Thank you so much for watching.